Welcome to Do You Know? Today, we're highlighting the crucial role bees play in our ecosystem. Bees are responsible for pollinating over 70% of flowering plants, which includes many crops essential for our food supply. The decline in bee populations due to habitat loss and pesticide use poses a serious threat not only to biodiversity, but also to global food security. The health of our planet depends on bees. If you found this topic important, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing insights on Do You Know?